waffle and milkshake.
Okay, waffle and milkshake. You can introduce your friends, please.
Then it's Cita, Dennis, and Justin.
Okay. Next.
Milk.
Milk, waffle, and Oreo.
Plus pen.
And then?
Oh,
Yeah, and spoon. Finish?
finish.
Next? Okay, Dennis.
Open the Oreo.
Help, please help Dennis. Okay, open the Oreo. Oreo into the glass.
Oreo. And then
Crush. Next?
step 2.
Step. Yes?
Put the milk into the glass.
Good job. Wow, that looks delicious.
It is milk cream.
Okay,
The milk cream and
the waffle.
okay, let's make the one. Put 3 waffle.
Waffle, don't say waffle. And then?
And then put the Nutella.
Finish, okay. That's all? Okay, can you tell me what is waffle? And then this one?
And then still milk Oreo.
Oh, stir milk Oreo. Okay.
Okay.